Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Paw Patrol Lunch Box is probably one of the most exciting things for your little girls. If your daughter is a fan of the Paw Patrol, then you're in for a treat. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Paw Patrol lunch boxes, exploring their designs, features, and overall value to help you find the perfect one for your child. Get ready to discover which lunchbox will make your little one's lunchtime a fun and adventurous experience. Number 5. Paw Patrol Skye Lunchbox for Kids. This lunchbox features Skye and Everest from Paw Patrol. It's made from durable Cordura polyester, ensuring it lasts. It's perfect for any Paw Patrol fan. This lunchbox keeps snacks fresh and ready for action. The insulated design maintains the perfect temperature. There's even room for a juice box. It offers plenty of space for all snack time adventures. It's easy for kids to carry wherever they go. The durable material ensures it can handle everyday use. Made from high-quality Cordura polyester, this lunchbox is built to last. The sturdy construction ensures durability. It's lightweight and easy to carry. Surprise the Paw Patrol fan in your life with this lunchbox. It's perfect for birthdays or any special occasion. It's a practical and adorable addition to their collection. What we like. This lunchbox is officially licensed, featuring Skye and Everest. It keeps food fresh all day with its insulated design. If you are looking for a durable and adorable lunchbox for your little Paw Patrol fan, this is the perfect choice. It's built to withstand all their adventures. What people say. Spacious and good quality. Fits a kid's water bottle and 2 snacks very well. Quality of the bag is very nice. Zipper seems durable and the design has a sparkle layer to it which should help it last long. Number 4. Disney Princess Soft Insulated Lunchbox. This Disney Princess lunchbox is made from quality materials and is lightweight. Its shape allows for a lot of room for easy storage. The main compartment provides room to store sandwiches, drinks, snacks, and more. This lunchbox is well insulated to keep your child's food cold throughout the day. It is food safe and PVC-free, safe for your child's dietary needs. It's the perfect lunch bag for any fan. This Disney lunch bag features one large main zipped compartment, a small front zip pocket for snacks, a side mesh pocket, and a padded holding handle for easy carrying. The side mesh pocket is made from durable athletic mesh and the bag is reinforced with nylon for added strength. This lunchbox features graphics of their favorite Disney princesses like Ariel, Cinderella, Jasmine, Snow White, Rapunzel, Merida, Belle, and Tiana. It's a great way to show off their favorite characters. Disney lunchboxes make the perfect back-to-school, birthday, or Christmas gift. They are well constructed, feature adorable graphics, and are very affordable. It's perfect for camp, school, college, or travel. What we like. This lunchbox features beloved Disney princesses. It's food-safe and well-insulated, ensuring your child's lunch stays fresh. If you want a lunchbox that combines fun designs with practicality, this is a great option. It's perfect for any young Disney fan. What people say. The print is perfect and it is very durable. The insulation keeps her food fresh, and the size is just right for school lunches. Durable, vibrant, and easy to clean. The outside of it is so detailed and so well done. The water bottle pocket is very big, it fits any size water bottle. Small, tall, or the big fat ones. Number 3. Paw Patrol Chase Sound Book, PI Kids. Get ready to read with Chase. This sound book brings the excitement of Paw Patrol to life. It's a fun way for kids to learn and enjoy reading. This book features play sound buttons. Press the buttons and hear sounds that correspond with the story. It makes reading even more engaging and interactive for children. The book combines learning with the fun of Paw Patrol. It's designed to help children develop their reading skills while enjoying their favorite characters. This is a great way to encourage a love of reading. This sound book is perfect for young readers. The stories are simple and easy to follow. It's a great introduction to reading for children. This book is brought to you by PI Kids. You can trust the quality and educational value of this product. It's a great choice for parents looking to support their child's reading journey. What we like. This sound book features Chase and other Paw Patrol characters. It's designed to make reading fun and interactive. If you are looking for a fun way to encourage reading, this is a great choice. It's perfect for young children learning to read. What people say. My grandsons love this book. They listen to it and also want me to read it to them while they press the buttons and repeat it. My grandson loves this book. He thinks is reading it when he pushes the right button. He likes to do things on his own. Very happy 3-year-old, love the interactive aspect alongside the reading encouragement. Sounds are just the right volume so it doesn't become annoying for the adults. Number 2. Group Ruz Nickelodeon Paw Patrol 16 Backpack with Lunch Box. This is a great backpack set for any Paw Patrol fan. It includes a 16-inch backpack and a matching, detachable lunchbox. The backpack has a large zippered compartment. It's perfect for carrying binders, books, and folders. It also features 2 net side pockets. They are ideal for holding water bottles or other small items. The backpack comes with adjustable, padded shoulder straps. This ensures a comfortable fit for the user. The lunchbox is easily attached to the backpack. It's a convenient way to carry lunch. What we like. This set includes a backpack and a detachable lunchbox. The backpack has multiple compartments for storage. If you need a convenient and organized solution for school, this set is ideal. It's perfect for carrying everything your child needs. What people say. The lunchbox is a great size for my preschooler. The lunchbox is very easy to clean. The lunchbox is very durable. Number 1. THERMOS Paw Patrol Girls Soft Lunch Kit. This THERMOS lunch kit is perfect for packing your child's lunch. It helps you reduce waste and save money by using a reusable container. The lunch kit is 100% PVC free with FlexiGuard liners. This ensures the safety of your child's food. It features superior quality closed-cell polyethylene foam insulation. This keeps food fresh and at the right temperature. The kit has a comfortable padded carrying handle. Your child can easily carry it around. It has detailed screen-printed graphics. The design will make your child excited about lunchtime. Simply wipe it with a damp sponge and mild soap to clean. It's that easy to maintain. What we like. This lunch kit is reusable, helping to reduce waste. It's also PVC-free and features superior insulation. If you are looking for an eco-friendly and practical lunch solution, this is a great choice. It's perfect for keeping food fresh and safe. What people say. The lunchbox is a great size for my preschooler. The lunchbox is very easy to clean. The lunchbox is very cute and my daughter loves it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.